Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the hottest topics in the tech world, the foldable iPhone. Is it real? When is it coming? And what can we expect from Apple's take on this futuristic form factor? Let's get into it. For years we've seen Samsung dominate the foldable market with their Galaxy Z Fold and Z Flip series. They've refined their designs, improved their hinges, and really shown the world what's possible with a flexible screen. And all this time, we've been asking the same question. Where is Apple? When will we get an iPhone that folds? The silence from Cupertino has been deafening, but lately, the rumor mill has been spinning faster than ever, and it seems like we might finally have some answers. The latest whispers from a few reliable sources in the supply chain suggest that Apple is deep in the development of a foldable device. We're not just talking about patents anymore, we're talking about actual prototypes being tested. Now, Apple is famous for testing numerous designs before settling on one, and that seems to be the case here. Some reports point to a clamshell design similar to the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip, which would fold down into a compact, pocketable square. Imagine an iPhone that folds in half. How cool would that be? Other sources, however, suggest Apple is also exploring a larger, book-style foldable, more like the Galaxy Z Fold. This device would unfold into a tablet-sized screen, essentially combining an iPhone and an iPad mini into a single, powerful gadget. This seems like a very Apple-like move, focusing on productivity and creating a whole new product category. Which one will they go with? It's possible they're working on both, but the clamshell design seems to be gaining more traction in the rumors right now. So, the big question is, when can we actually buy one? Don't hold your breath for this year or the next. The most consistent timeline we're hearing from multiple analysts points to a release around late 2026, or even early 2027. This means it could launch as part of the iPhone 18 lineup. Why the long wait? Well, this is Apple we're talking about. They don't rush into new product categories. They wait, they watch, they learn from their competitors' mistakes, and then they enter the market with a product that aims to perfect the experience. Apple is likely working on solving the biggest problems with current foldables. First, the crease. While Samsung has made it less noticeable, it's still there. Apple is reportedly working with suppliers in China and Korea to develop a display and hinge mechanism that makes the crease virtually invisible. Second, durability. Foldable screens are more delicate than traditional glass. Apple needs to ensure their foldable iPhone is as tough and reliable as every other iPhone they sell. And finally, the software. A foldable device needs an operating system that seamlessly adapts to different screen sizes and orientations. We can expect Apple to deliver a polished and intuitive version of iOS specifically designed for a foldable future. Think about the possibilities. A clamshell iPhone Fold could have a small outer display for notifications and quick glances, while opening it up reveals a full-sized, uninterrupted iPhone screen. A larger book-style foldable could revolutionize multitasking on the go, allowing you to run apps side by side on a massive display that still fits in your pocket. Ultimately, while the wait might be frustrating, it's probably for the best. When Apple finally enters the foldable market, it will likely be with a device that feels incredibly refined, durable, and intuitive, setting a new standard for the entire industry. It's not a matter of if, but when. We're likely looking at the iPhone 18 in 2026 as the earliest possible debut. What do you think? Are you excited for a foldable iPhone? Do you prefer the clamshell or the book-style design? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. Thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech deep dives. See you in the next one.